Hello and welcome to FPGA tutorial, programming tutorial, and I am going to design 4 to 1 multiplexer. Now this is the programming for multiplexer in which input, selection pin and output is defined, and this programming is based on case statement in which when the case is 00, the LSB of the data is transferred to the output. When it is when the MSB of data is transferred to the output. So this is the basic programming. Now I'm going to synthesize this. So it is synthesized successfully. Now I'm going to check it on a behavioral model. Okay, so this is the behavioral model. Now when I set this selection bit to 00 and set this as 0001, at the time the output is 1. At the time the output is 1. Now when I change the selection bit to 01, at the time the output is like this 0. So it is transforming second bit. So from the test bench you can say that the program is working properly. Now I'm going to add UCF file, and this UCF file is added here, in which I had defined the input to the this pin. Ultimately it is mapping of programming input and the FPGA pin. So it is like this. Now I'm going to implement this design. Go to design summary, then pin out report, in which we show that the 16 number pin is marks out, and 76, 77, 78 and 80 number pin are input pin, where 81 and 85 are selection pin. Okay, so I'm going to generate programming file. So the programming file is generated. Now go to impact. Yes. Assign new configuration file, that is multiplexer 4 to 1, this bit file of our program. Now program this. So program is successful. Now we will check hardware.
So this is the hardware for multiplexer 4 to 1, in which this 1, 2, 3, 4 are input of multiplexer, and 5 and 6 are selection bit, and output is this D1. When this 1 is selected, this is the LSB of input, and 4 is MSB. Now in this case the selection bit is 00. Now when this selection bit is at this time the selection bit is 1 0 1 1 0. So this third input is transmitted to output. When selection bit is 1 1, at that time MSB is transferred to the output. So this is the output simulation of 4 to 1 multiplexer.